Okay guys, so I'm back from the supermarket. I had to change my clothes and bathe my skin because you don't know what is out there, okay? And I put my clothes that I had on in the backyard. So I'm back from the supermarket now, so I'm going to show you guys what I bought in the supermarket. While I was filming in the supermarket, my phone battery had died, so I'm just going to show you guys like a grocery haul, basically. Alright, so the first thing that I bought in the supermarket is some rice. Then I bought some flour to make some more pastries to show you guys. I also bought a big bag of brown sugar, and I bought some big packet of frosted flakes for the kids. Then I bought some black eyed peas, split peas, chana peas, and some black eye. Oh, this one's red peas, sorry. Yeah, these peas here, you can make all different type of dishes. You can make peas stew, you can make hookup, you can make soup, whatever you want. Then I bought some flour. Oh god. Then I bought some shortening and some butter to make some pastries to show you guys. I have some new pastries I will be uploading soon. I bought a soap. Bought a couple tin of tomato paste. I already have a few. I bought some soup, ramen soup and pumpkin soup. I'll be making a pumpkin soup video for you guys soon as well, so keep on watching. I bought some toilet paper to just top up, and I want to be making some porridge video for you guys, so I have some sago porridge here and some cornmeal porridge. I bought some coconut powder. I bought these maxis, or you can call it Kool-Aid, for the kids to make some drinks for them. I bought a macaroni. I bought a pack of milk just to top up in my tin. And for snacks, I bought some nibbles and some Bigfoot for the kids, and some Club Social biscuits. And I bought a bottle of oil, and that's it basically for the supermarket. And in the market, when I was in the market, I bought some cabbage, bora. I already cooked the bora. I also bought some plantain here. I will be making my pumpkin soup with this. I also bought some potato, Irish potato, onion, garlic, ginger. I bought 2 coconuts because I'll be making a cassava pone video, so you guys look out for that video soon. And I bought some sweet pepper, and I also bought some shallot, celery, broadleaf thyme, fine leaf thyme, and married maple in the market. And I bought also some sweet potato and some cassava as well. That's at the bottom there. So that's about it that I bought in the supermarket. So I want to thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. This is my first vlog. I know it's not that great because, you know, I accustomed just filming at home, and to go outdoor in public and film, I was a little shy, but I tried my best. And then also I was wearing my mask too, so I'm sure you guys wasn't really hearing me, but I hope you guys still watch the video, and hope you guys enjoy it, and give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. And these groceries here is gonna last me for about a month. I prefer buy in bulk because you're supposed to be staying in your house because you don't wanna get sick. So I just buy all these big stuff so I wouldn't have to be going on the road. So just stay home. All right. So anyway, hope everyone is safe, and you guys keep washing your hands. Keep washing your hands. As soon as I came home, I took off my clothes. I sprayed my clothes with Lysol. Then I take off my clothes at the door, and then I went straight into the bathroom. I ain't bringing no sickness home to my kids. Oh, hell no. So you guys should do the same as well, all right? And also, I My bags, I spray my bags, everything. I'm just trying to be so safe as possible. And I don't take the kids out on the road. I went by myself. I went very protective. Alright guys, take care and hope you guys enjoy watching the video. See you in my next video. Bye.